Incorporated. I wanted to take a minute to say thank you to all the clients who have participated in our food drive program, and I also want to take a moment to emphasize that there are some big donators that donate pallets of rice and pallets of beans and the staples that make good healthy meals for the recipients. But it's a small food drive like this that I was told by one of the members from the Food Depot that really adds the balance. So when they're doing a fill a backpack program for kids, and there's a bag of cereal, or there's maybe, I don't know, some canned fruit. There's also your best friend at home, so we can't forget the dogs, and things like spaghetti sauce and things that really add to the dynamic of the food drive and make it more diverse, so all the different recipients can have balance in their lives and not just the staples that make a healthy meal. So thank you for participating in our food drive. Thank you for your generosity. I mean, who doesn't love ramen? Those are the things that we might not think of donating. We always want to make sure we buy only healthy stuff, but bring a smile to somebody's face with a little bit of sugar goes a long ways. So one more time, thank you for those of you who participate in our food drive. We really appreciate your generosity. And for those of you who have not, we welcome you to give us a call. We'll be glad to extend you a 65-point vehicle inspection in exchange for one grocery bag of food. And we call it a courtesy inspection. So give us a call and we'll get you scheduled in and we'll help you stay in front of that tow truck. Thank you for watching Auto Angel Incorporated.